In this video, I'm going to implement the splash screen help of the Flutter native splash. Okay, go to the pub.dev and check verify the with the Flutter native splash package. Okay, and the first one is there, right? This is a Flutter favorite, right? We can easily use that, no doubt at all. Okay, so here when you open the app, okay, when you app is open, there is a brief time while native app loads the Flutter. Okay, see, without using this one, defaultly it's showing the white screen. Okay, so this package is automatically generate iOS, Android, and web native code for customization. This splash screen, background color, splash image. Okay, and support dark mode, full screen, and platform specific option also. Okay, so this package, see, without this package, if you run the application, initially it's open the white screen. Okay, but help of this package, we can load with our logo, our color, background color. Clear? So this is the use of this package. And in the readme file, so this is a no. Previously, the GIF image is not support, but for now, the GIF is somewhat support in the web, not for Android and iOS. We can load only PNG or PNG file, not SVG also. I think. Now you can see this is way of uh, add the package. Go to the installation. Okay, copy this one. Go to the terminal and terminal, no terminal. And now see then the below add native splash. Let's see in the pubs.yaml after run this command. Yes. So this will add inside under the dependencies Flutter native splash. So we added the native splash. What is the next is what are the next is go to the again readme file or I'll go to the example. We can see the example also. But instead of this, I'll go to the readme file. In the readme file, this part is done. The added. Okay, we done the Flutter pub get automatically is done. And now next, see, we have to customize the YAML file. So customize the following settings to add our project pubs.yaml. We have the pubs.yaml file, right? Or place your new file, your root project folder, name it as like this. Okay. So for now, I will copy this in pubs.yaml instead of creating this one. Okay, you will get a confused. Okay. So what is the code is provided by this package? I copy this one. Okay. I copy this package code and I will go here and paste into the below of the YAML file. Hope is clear. See, you can see this. These are the options where if you want the options, you can enable this one. Clear? There is a lot of options. The native splash is start from here. Clear? Okay, this code. Okay, what is the color? This is the color of the and the background image. What background image you have to give to the background image. Clear? And these are options under. Okay, background image dark or image dark. And for Android specific also we can write a code. Okay, splash background. Clear? And this is required or not. Yeah, so this code is we copied from the package, right? After this, run this command. Please note down and this is the run this command. This is very important. So okay, using this command is automatically generate the respected code in the iOS folder, Android folder. I can see that. I can see the all the changes after run this command. Before that, we need to give the which which is our background image, which is the logo. Okay, that is we need to add. Okay, so go to the code in the assets folder. What is this is assets folder, right? From this asset folder, I need to drag and drop the our logo. So I click on here, go to the export and preview. This is our logo, right? So I download the PNG now and click on here, export this one, right? Export into the download now. After that, I will drag and drop onto the our project. Okay, this is our logo. Go to the download. This is image, right? Okay, let's write logo image.png. Okay, okay, already available. Okay, car logo at app logo. Okay, app logo image.png. Clear? Huh? And drag and drop into the assets folder. Now the PNG is add into the our assets folder. What is the next? After adding the assets, go to the YAML file. The default we have to enable this one, right? Uncomment these assets and remove existing code. Where is our assets is there? Assets slash the assets slash. That's it, right? After this, we need to run the Flutter flubget. Okay, instead of that, directly click on download symbol, automatically run the Flutter flubget. Hope is clear till now. So we have the logo, which is a logo, and now splash screen defaultly will add white color. If you want a blue color also, we can add a blue color also. Okay, this is related to our default pubs.yaml. Come to the Flutter native splash. This is start from here, right? This is a color, default the color is there. Okay, let's do with this color, default color. Let's see what is happening. Okay, and next background image is there, right? Okay, let's enable the background. Where is our background image? Assets. So let me copy this one directly. You can copy directly. Copy relative path. Okay, it is directly it's copied from the our relative path. Clear? Instead of typing and everything, while typing you can miss the some letters also. Okay, directly right click on the image and select the copy relative path. It will give the path of the particular file or image. That is I pasted into the our assets. Clear? So done, everything is done. For now, in the native place, I gave the color and background image. Hope is clear. Now, what next? I need to run one important command that's provided by the Flutter native splash. Okay, what is the command is? Go to the README file. Everything is the README file. Copy this file. Okay, now we can observe this. Now, let me open this one. Oh, till now I will add the code into the Git and commit the code. After that, after run this command, you can identify what is the new things added into the our project. Okay, let's add into the Git now. Okay, okay. Before that, we need init, right? Git init, git add, git commit. What is the commit? Some initial project setup. Okay, with MVVM pattern, right? Code is committed, right? Now we can see git log. We can see the our commits. Clear? And now after that, let me run this command. See, some change happened, right? iOS folder, Android folder. Did you observe this? In web folder also. Clear? So automatically come to the home iOS folder and assets folder. Automatically some images happen, right? See, here is the image is not loaded. Let's see this. See some changes done in the. Okay, let's run this project. Some code I added automatically this one. Okay, let's run the project. I did some changes for your understanding. I'm going to create a folder. I will create from beginning. Okay, I'll create a no. I created deleted these two folders. There is a one command called flutter create dot. Okay, this command is created the folders again. It's created, right? Now you can see iOS folder, Android folder again is created. But don't delete the iOS Android folder in your project. Okay, I deleted for your reference. Okay, now let's run again. Uh, let's run the command. what is the command is for generate the generate the splash. See, here just enable the color, okay, and image. Okay, image should be PNG. This is a splash image. What is the image? Assets class app logo dot image dot PNG, right? This is my splash image. Okay. Now, what is the command? Dot run. Okay, dot run native splash to create. Okay, now see, some code is generated right inside the iOS and Android folder. In Android folder, src main res drawable. Now you can see some splash image came right, automatically generated. Okay, here also generated based on the resolution, high density pixel. See this one drawable, high density, medium density. Okay, excess density. Okay, go to the iOS folder. See, launch image also created. Launch image, PNG, this one. Create, right? I didn't do anything in the iOS folder, Android folder. Just I'm using the native splash and give the some input to the native splash YAML file and run the one command automatically generate in the iOS and Android folder. Let's run the project now. Now see the how the output will. Okay. I want to run the project on the simulator or emulator. Flutter run. In the Flutter run the project on the iPhone 15 Pro simulator. Now it's install everything. We can see the output. See, open right? The splash screen is opened, but it's not. It's a very fast opening, right? It's opened very fast. The logo is came and the background image also came, right? Let me run again. Okay, let quit the application and this is car rental application, right? Let me delete here and run again. Yeah, done. So this is the splash screen. We implement the splash screen. The color is blue color is visible, right? That is a background color we set up in the YAML file. So defaultly in the YAML file under Flutter native splash, this is a color. Okay, based on this color, it's generated automatically. Okay, based on the image, that image display on the screen. But as per my requirement, the color should be white color. Okay, I need to change the white color. Again, run that command dot run flutter native plus create. Okay, let's see now. Okay, in this part we covered the we implement the native splash to run the application on the simulator. The same application we can use the emulator also. The same output for the Android also same out to launch the ice image, launch the splash with the background color and image. Okay, that's not in our control. Automatically, sir, OS is take care about that one. Okay, we can't stop the time. Okay, in Android we can stop, but come to the iOS, not in our hand. Okay.